My name is Mukunda Madhav Kakaty. Yeah, I'm working as a product manager in a shipping and maritime company, so which is US based. And my day-to-day work starts with the product backlogs, managing all the different products that we have, the ERPs we have, and I work as a integration specialist also earlier. So here my current role where is to have more integrations done, more implement new clients and all to our organization. So for my day-to-day work, I have to coordinate with different product managers, the development teams, the QC managers and all. The challenges that I faced in my new role as a product manager is like I have to coordinate with different development teams, different product teams, and then make sure all the requirements are clear and the product is like whatever we have is implemented and it's like aligned with the client requirements and expectations. So that there were some timeline challenges, like you can say I faced some issues in arranging the sequential order, or like to explain the requirements from the client side to our respective development teams or the product teams as well. So these were some challenges which I faced initially when I joined as a product manager. After joining Accredian, the course, the EP on product management, I learned a lot. Okay, and when the best thing is that I was learning and at the same time implementing in my current role. So that helped me, the course, the classes taken by the IIT faculties and all that helped me like, okay, formulate the things, use more tools, or like the with the live examples, I could relate with the similar kind of user stories, or let's say the requirements at my current role, and then help it like to work in an efficient way and coordinate with different teams. Also, like I learned a lot of like the wireframes and all, which was not initially in my, let's say in previous organization, I didn't work on that, or neither I had any experience on it. So when I learned here and about the design and the UI UX, I could utilize these learnings to my current organizations in building some integration related, like you can say frameworks and all this in my current role. So this course is helping me in all different modules of product management, what we have, in a more chronological way to understand, okay, that these are the first steps we need to have, the requirements and all those till it goes live, all the sequential way and all the different type of methods, be it agile or waterfalls and all, so that it helps me think, okay, this is the best approach in my current organization that I can implement it here, or I can propose my thinkings on our internal meetings that, okay, this is the solution which I learned in this from Accredian in this product management course and implement here in my current role. So during my interview, the initial rounds were okay, like those were because I had experience of a decade experience almost in shipping, maritime, healthcare, and supply chain logistics and all. So the initial experience, initial rounds went was good. Then the main round with the director of product management, our team, where that was the main round where lots of questions were asked related to product management, and then my domain, which I worked earlier as on shipping, logistics, and then also on supply chain. And here they were looking for someone who had hands-on experience on integrations related to shipping and maritime. So it was good. Although I was able to answer the domain knowledge more than less technical, because my educational background was from electronics and telecommunication. So I gradually moved on from integration consultant to integration specialist, integration program manager, and here as a product manager. But what remains constant for me was the domain which I work is shipping and logistics. So that helped me answer most of the questions, and and had a nice communication with the director of product management. So, Accredian, I was initially looking for a product management course from the top institute across India. Then, when I found Accredian is providing the EP, the executive program course in product management from IIT Guwahati, and I basically belong from Assam. So I thought, okay, let me try out here and see. And I although I in LinkedIn, like we can go through these reviews, right, about the courses. We can review the alumni who have done these courses, and also I found it quite impressive, and the reviews were good. So I thought of joining Accredian, and I joined on the October batch, and learned a lot on what I was lacking as a product manager, because my prior experience was on all integrations, and I started my journey as a customer service, and then as I told earlier, so I moved to integration program manager. So product manager was a completely new role, and then but through I wanted to enhance my skills so that I don't face any challenge, and I'm well versed with the new upcoming technologies like AI, ML, and everything. So I thought, okay, let me join Accredian, take all the hands-on experience, meet different product managers across different parts of India, get the high quality education from the top faculties from all across India, and it has been quite helpful. And it's helping me to learn all those the practical case studies that has been provided in the course to implement in my organization. Although the domain is different, like maybe in e-commerce or some other thing where the faculties are explaining, but I can relate it and implement and propose the same type of solutions or implementations in my current organization. First of all, I would advise anyone or any IT person, like whoever, be it non-tech or tech, whoever is working in their current role, okay, be efficient there, and be try to look ahead of what you are currently doing. It's not like just, okay, you are working on a day-to-day basis, and then you need to know the complete back-end process, the complete business, what is happening. And once you want to move to product management, which is quite challenging as well as exciting, so you need to have, maybe if you have some coordination with some product teams across your own organization, or like this, if you can take some good courses like what Accredian is providing, then it will help you prepare for the interviews. And although we have been all across these social medias and all, right, the different types of interviews, the questions and all, but what's more important is you need to enhance your skills and present at the time of interview, that okay, you are good, or you are ready to adapt to more challenges, and then go ahead with the product management, because this is a huge field. I am also quite new. I am also still learning, exploring the complete diversities that is involved in this product management. So I would advise that take some, maybe not, if not course, try to enhance your skills. Look what is the roadmap to be a product management. Like if you are in some different roles, like in BA is a good initiative, like from a BA you can move it to a product managers and all. So I recommend that way. But yes, you need to keep exploring. You need to be open. Keep your mindset open to learn new technologies. Not more technical, maybe the high levels. But and I think if for a person like me who doesn't have IT background, or who has studied in different domain, and are in IT fields and want to be a product managers, I think this type of courses are more important. So that, because you don't get everything to learn on the, or no one will hire you that, okay, I'm willing to learn and I will appear in the interview, I'll be a good product manager. No one will hire you like that. So you need to have some skills, you need to upgrade them, you need to have some clarity in communicating, or that, okay, understand what is product management, then what are the roadmaps, how you can build yourself, and then keep applying for the jobs.